Okay, good morning, sir. This is the updated version of this secondary school session of school podcast sheet. So this one is first time. Every first time should appear like this. We have the school name, school address, school website, school email address, school phone number should be centralized like this. Then the school name, the sex, registration number, the class, then school fees pay and the balance. The child passport that holds the result should be at the right hand side, while the school logo should be at the left hand side. Then here we'll be showing the key grade 70 above, excellent, like that. Then this is the term, while this one is the annual summary. So is the annual summary. This is the term summary. So in the term summary we have first test, which is 20%, second test 10%, exam 70. The total is 100. So in mathematics this child is called 12 6 34. The total after adding it will give you 56. So in that subject the child came out fourth in mathematics. This is subject position, fourth in mathematics. Then the ratio, first we calculate first ratio, which is 20. We now say it, the conversion ratio 20 is converted to 0.2. So now it's now calculating 0.2 times the total score for that subject. So it will now be 0 times 2, 0.2 times 56 will give you 11.2. 0.2 times 78 will give you 15.6. 0.2 times 46 will give you 9.2. 0.2 times 47 will give you 9.4. So and their subject position will show here. Then that's the calculation that's calculated here. The total mark score will be shown here. Total mark score the child have. Then out of, if it's 10 subjects, 10 times 10, 1000. So the total is scored will be here. Then the average of the total is scored. Then the position in class of the total is scored. Then out of the number in class, the attendance in class will show here. The number of days school open will show here. The comments and the rest. So that's for first term. Then second term result will be appearing like this. Termly and annually. Annual summary. So this is the first term, this is the second term, this is exam, this is total subject position, like that, which is 17 10 plus 17 97. So now the first term ratios that we calculated first term showing first term. Then now we are calculating for second term. So second term is 30 ratio 30, which is converted as 0.3. So we will now say 0.3 times the total score of that subject, which is 0 times 3 times 97. So 0 times 3 times 97 is 29.1. 0.3 times 76 is 22.8. 0.3 times 69 is 20.7. 0.3 times 71 is 21.3. so this solve it here. So then the total mark score out of the total mark of subject, average position in class out of the number in class, like that. Then third 10 the result will appear like this: termly summary, then annual summary. So the third 10 now, the first ratio is showing here, second ratio that we've calculated for second 10 is showing here, the first ratio we calculated for first 10 is still showing. Then we are calculating for third 10 ratio, which is ratio ratio 50 will be converted to 0.5 times the total score of the child. So now we now have 0.5 times 97 will give you 48.5. 0.5 times 70 will give you 35. 0.5 times 62 will give you 31. 0.5 times 62 will give you 31, which I've calculated here. Then this total ratio now is you plus ratio 20 plus ratio 30 plus ratio 50, which is 11.1 plus 29.2 plus 48.5 will give you 88.8, which the child score A in his grade and remark is excellent. Then third 10, then the second subject, 15.6 plus 22.8 plus 35 plus 73 plus 0.4 will give you 73.4, which is A, also excellent, because from 70 above is A. So the basic tech, we have 9.2 plus 20.7 plus 31, which gives you 60.9, which is B, very good. So it will now taught annually, it will now add all the ratio together. So through this ratio we will know who took first annual result, who took second, like that, through ratio, because the ratio have now calculate the first 10, second 10 and third 10. So first 10, second 10 result will be showing, then the ratio will be calculated to get the annual result. And that's what I said there. Then total first 10 ratio plus second 10 ratio plus and third 10 ratio to get annual result. Mathematics ratio, you plus them like that. Then the total ratio will give the annual grade, average, percentage and position. Then if a child resumes second 10, the software will calculate from second 10 for that child, which is adding ratio 2 plus ratio 3, because you don't have first 10 for ratio 2. So we now add that ratio 2 plus ratio 3, so which is 0.5. So that second 10 that the child resume, the software will now calculate 0.5 times the total score for each subject for that child. So that child will not be disadvantaged because he does not have first 10 result to calculate first 10 ratio. So we had, where others are calculating 0.3, the software will be calculating 0.5 for that child because he resumed second 10. Then the ones that resume third 10, when others are calculating 0.55, the software will be calculating 0.10 for this child. So no child will be disadvantaged. This is the calculation. Thank you, sir.